Good morning and good afternoon, daughter and son of God. God bless everybody. I wish the peace of God in your house, in your work, around you, in your family, and I wish the love of God in your heart, because the love comes from the heart. And the first law in the Bible is the love. God said, love me more than everything. So the love is very important to be a good person, to be a good Christian. So I wish you the love of God. Amen. Like I say every Friday, it's important to read the Bible. It's important to help people who need help. It's very important to be a good Christian. But sometimes we misunderstand. They have something more, like we don't know. Sometimes it's because of ignorance or because so today I want to speak how to be in the society, how to be in the society, to be a good Christian. Because sometimes you can impact yourself. When you are a good person, you can impact yourself. The people who is around you can say, yes, I want to be like you. How do you do? What is your secret? Let me know your secret. Then you impact them. Then you will teach them, like it's God who blessing you. So today we will talk about people who don't like their self. Some people, they don't like their self. For example, they don't like what God have give them. They don't like it after some time. So today we will talk about that. For example, I have a black color. Maybe I don't like myself. I want to be white. I say, oh my God, why I have this black color? I want to put some cream to be white, because I think when I will be white, I will be more beautiful. No, because in the Genesis 1:27, they write, and God created man in his own image. In the image of God created is him, male and female created is them. So God have looked at on him and is created you. If you are black, you are the image of God. If your nose is small like that, you are the image of God. If your eyes is big, or if I'm sorry if I make like this like that. If your hair is big, like I don't know, you are the image of God. You need to like yourself. Because sometimes you are looking at what you don't have, but you don't bless God of what you have. Because you have eyes, you can see. Some people, they have eyes, they cannot see. Some people, they have the nose, but they cannot breathe. They go to hospital, they do operation, they make some machine on them, because they need to breathe, they need to be alive. Some people, they have the mouth, but they cannot talk. Some people, they have the ear, but they cannot hear. You need to bless God, because you have this. It's big, it's small. How is you have it, and you can't use it like everyone have it. So you need to thank God. You need to bless God for what you have. You need to be concentrated for what you have, and you don't need to be distracted. Oh, I don't have this. I look around me. Oh, this one have this. This one have this. Oh, the one who is beautiful. Maybe you think it's beautiful for him, but he's also crying. So you need to like yourself. Everybody need to like themselves. Maybe your tea is like that. Oh, I don't like my tea. Oh, I don't want to smell. I smell. Hey, because of your tea. Some people, they don't have tea. They need to go to the dentist to have. Is God bless? God have blessing you. You need to like yourself. You need to like what God have give you. Some people, they can pray 1 year, 2 years. Oh God, I want a wife. Oh God, I want a man. Oh God, give me someone. Oh God, have give you someone. You get married with the person. After you say, you look, maybe the wife of your friend, something like that. Oh, wow, this girl is beautiful. Look at her. Look how she look. Hey, my friend, are you forgetting your wife? Are you forgetting the one God have given you? Are you forgetting? You need to look what is good. This girl who you are married with, She give you a daughter. She give you a baby. She wash your clothes. She make food for you. She always close to you when you need someone to talk. Hey, today because you see something outside, you forget the one God has blessing you with. Or maybe you woman, you are married. You go outside, or maybe your neighbor come like that, 6-pack. Oh, look, my neighbor, he look nice. Oh, he dress good. Hey, my friend, are you forgetting the man who God have given you? Who you was praying here and God have given you? Today you say it don't look good. You don't have nice. If you don't have a look, you can buy a clothes for him. If I don't know, you need to look the good things. Don't always look the negative things. You need to thank God. Oh, thank God. I thank you because you have blessed me with that things. I thank you because you are blessing me with that it. That thing you are blessing me. Some people, they are the prayer of some people. Maybe I have a nose. My nose maybe is like that, but it's a prayer for some people. I have a mouth to talk, but it's a prayer for some people. They have a mouth, but they cannot use it. What is the mean? Maybe I have a big car, I cannot use the car. What is the mean? What is the mean? Imagine you have something, you cannot use it. Imagine you are blessed. You need to thank God. Thank God. Look for the positive thing. Don't think for the negative. Look for the positive thing. Bless God. Thank God. Pray for him. Open your mouth and thank him for what he has given to you. Thank God is very important. You need to love yourself because God, when he was making you, he was thinking you are perfect. He was thinking you are perfect. That's why he make you like that. No one, we cannot be the same. We can never be the same. Maybe me, I have a big mouth, you have a small mouth. We cannot be. Look my hands. Look my finger. Look this one. It's small and big. Look this one. It's thin and long. This one is short and thin. The finger I have, they are not the same. No one can be the same. We are all different. We just need to love them. We just need to take care of them. Because it's God. It's the blessing of God. Today was the message. Like yourself, like God has making you, because you are the God's son. You are the God's daughter. God has given you something. Take care of that things God has given you. But it's something I forgot to talk. I'm not talking about, for example, I can see maybe my neighbor have a nice car, and I say, oh, this car is very nice. I want to buy also. This is different because this is material. It's not like she work and she pay because it's her money who pays. She work and she pay. If I can work also pay, is no problem. But I'm talking for things who God have given you and you are complaining. You are complaining, I don't like this. I don't want to be like that. I'm talking about that. You need to change. If you are one person like that, change. Like yourself and thank God. It's very important for you. It's very important for everyone. Voila. God bless you. And I wish the hand of God in everything you are doing. Amen.